Tech fam! Welcome back to Lara Tech. Whether you're a producer, musician, or just someone who appreciates high-quality sound, finding the right pair of studio headphones can make all the difference. Today we're diving into the top 8 studio headphones ranging from $100 to $300. These headphones offer a killer balance of sound quality, comfort, and durability without breaking the bank. Let's jump right in. Number 8. Audio-Technica ATH M50X, $169. Kicking things off at number 8 is the Audio-Technica AT M50X. This model has earned legendary status among audiophiles and professionals alike. Known for its flat, natural sound, it's perfect for mixing and tracking. The 45mm drivers provide deep bass and clear mids, while the closed-back design ensures excellent sound isolation. Plus, the swivel ear cups make these comfortable for long studio sessions. Number 7. Beyerdynamic T770 Pro 80ohm, $159. Coming in at number 7 is the Beyerdynamic D770 Pro 80ohm. Known for its superior comfort and isolation, this model features soft velour ear pads that make it one of the most comfortable headphones on this list. The sound profile is detailed with punchy bass, smooth mids, and a clear high end that's perfect for mixing, especially in louder environments. Number 6. Sennheiser HD600, $249. At number 6, we have the Sennheiser HD600. These open-back headphones are a favorite for critical listening. They deliver a more natural soundstage with a wide and open sound, making them ideal for mixing and mastering. The smooth mids and detailed highs make sure every track is balanced to perfection. Number 5. ACK K712 Pro, $249. Next up at number 5 is the ACK K712 Pro. These open-back headphones are perfect for mixing and mastering, delivering crisp highs and a smooth bass response. The wide ear cups and plush padding ensure maximum comfort for extended sessions. Number 4. Shure SRF 1540, $299. Number 4. The Shure SRF 1540 offers a premium, well-rounded experience. With its 40mm neodymium drivers and sleek aluminum alloy ear cups, the SRF 1540 delivers deep bass, detailed mids, and airy highs. These are closed-back headphones that are perfect for both studio work and casual listening. Number 3. Focal Listen Professional, $249. At number 3, we have the Focal Listen Professional headphones. Focal is known for high-end audio gear, and these headphones offer excellent value for the price. With a closed-back design, they provide great isolation and a punchy bass response, while still maintaining clarity across the mids and highs. Number 2. Sony Mendra 7506, $199. We have the Sony Mendra 7506. This classic headphone is a staple in many professional studios around the world. With its crisp, clear sound and durable build, the Mendra 7506 is a fantastic choice for both live sound and studio use. The mid-range is clean and accurate, while the high end is bright but not harsh. Number 1. Beyerdynamic D1990 Pro, $299. The Beyerdynamic DT1990 Pro. These open-back headphones are a powerhouse in terms of sound quality and comfort. They offer a balanced, neutral sound profile that's ideal for mixing with precise bass, clear mids, and sparkling highs. The build quality is solid, and the ear cups are incredibly comfortable, making them perfect for long studio sessions. So there you have it, -8 incredible studio headphones that won't break the bank, but will definitely elevate your sound. Whether you're mixing, mastering, or just enjoying high-fidelity audio, these headphones are all fantastic choices. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more gear reviews, and let me know in the comments which pair you're most excited to try.